So, hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about new section product banner. In this section, you have a heading, description, and an option of putting banner image. You can also put products with their link on this banner. Here, you can add different cards with different colors. Additionally, you can choose any color for the section background. All the settings will be explained later in the video. This banner can also be clickable. For example, if I add a link to this banner image, clicking on the banner will redirect me to the link I have set. If I show you on a phone, you'll notice the banner looks different compared to the desktop view. Our products are displayed in a specific way here. You can add as many products as you want and customize links for mobile and desktop separately for the banner image. I'll show you how to set up all these features step by step in this video. Let's suppose you have a website and there are trending or newly added products you want to highlight. You can add them to a banner so visitors see these products first. Another advantage is if you want to offer a discount, you can create a discount code and display it on the banner. You can also configure it so the discount code applies only to specific products displayed on the banner. Now, let me show you how to add this section to your store. First, go to your store's admin panel. Click on the Theme section, then on the three dots, and open the code editor. Once in the code editor, create a new section from the Sections folder. Name it anything you prefer. For this tutorial, I will name it GRT Product Banner. Once the section is created, a schema template will appear. Delete it. Copy the code I have provided, paste it there, and save. After saving, click on the three dots and go to the Customize Theme option. In the Customization section, add the section you just created in the code editor and saved. It will render here with the name GRT Product Banner. Simply click on it, and you'll see all the settings for the section. You will see the section heading and subheading. You can control the font size, align it to the left, right, or center, and choose the layout, grid or full width. You can also upload separate images for desktop and mobile views. Let me show you by adding an image for desktop. Suppose I select this image for desktop. Now, when I view it on mobile, the image doesn't appear because I haven't uploaded an image for mobile. So, let me upload an image for mobile. As you can see, the mobile image is now displayed, while the desktop image remains separate. Let's look at some settings here. An option of heading here, you can put heading according to you. Here you can put subheading. You can control font size. You can control subheading font size also. You can control alignment like left, center, and right. You can select image height also. You can select layout like full width or grid. You can also add links for desktop and mobile separately. For example, let's say I add a link to the blog page for the desktop banner and a link to the contact page for the mobile banner. Now, if I click the desktop banner, it will redirect to the blog page. If I click the mobile banner, it will redirect to the contact page. This way, the banners can lead to different pages depending on the device. You can adjust the top and bottom padding of the section and set a background color instead of an image. For example, if you don't want to display an image and prefer a solid color, you can select and apply a color here. Now, let's talk about adding products to the section. You can select products to display and even upload custom images for them instead of using the default product images. You can also customize the background and text colors of the product cards. For example, if I set the card background to red and text color to white, it appears accordingly. You can add multiple products to the banner. Once saved, the preview will show the products on both desktop and mobile views, displaying the title, price, and variance of the product. If there's a compare price or discount applied, it will also display here. That's how this section works. If you want to implement it in your store, follow the steps shown in the video. The complete code is available on our website, and the link is in the video description. If you encounter any issues, feel free to contact us. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.